Hello, Lady Trans Lovies. I'm your girl Lady, bringing you the hottest news. So, if you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment below. So, Peltusi host Enhlembali on the Behind the Story show that plays on BET Africa. So, Enhlembali is being questioned by Peltusi. The interview didn't go as so many people expected it. So on Twitter, it's trending that no, kahle kahle Enhlembali is actually holding back. She's not telling all the truth, all the questions that she was asked bengafuni ukwaphendula accordingly. So basically hold her back ukuthi no, angifuni kahle kahle ukunazisa guys ukuthi kwenzakalani phakathi kwami no Black Coffee. So here is the screenshot that I took from Twitter. Thank you for watching this video. I'm out till next time.